Wow. This place is really pretty. Like the fact that I'm able to carry this all the way out onto the mountains when it's like pouring rain, I would never do that with my laptop and my Wacom tablet in my backpack. But with this, no problem. I can just stick it in my bag and it's not a big deal. If you don't mind the limitations of iOS, go with one of these. Like save all of the pounds you need, because when you're traveling around and you're carrying everything in your backpack, you're gonna love that extra bit of flexibility. But anyway, I don't think you want to see more of like my face in the rain or anything like that, so I'm gonna switch it to some sick B-roll of stuff I've made on the iPad. Alright, sounds good? Great. This view is beautiful! Oh my god, like, oh my god, look at that view! I'm on a freaking roof in Taiwan! Ah! Alright, so everything that you just seen was edited on this iPad right over here. And this is just the regular, like, sub $300 level iPad that actually picked up for $250 for Black Friday, and it got this pen, Apple Pencil actually, refurbished for around $90, so it saved myself a bit of cash. But all in, it cost me like just over $350, and of course that'll depend on how prices fluctuate and that sort of thing. But I say that it cost $350 even though I only got the iPad and the pencil at a discounted price because I added an extra $40 on top for LumaFusion and for Affinity Photo, which I do highly recommend if you want an iPad, just because I think that you're just kind of wasting the screen real estate if you don't take advantage of more advanced applications that you'll have to pay for. But I want to save that the software side for part 2, just because there's a lot to get into with the software. I didn't realize how much that was until I decided to record it. It's like, this is going to be a 16-minute long video, so I'm going to split this part up and just come back and say that if you're really thinking about switching to an iPad, I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to know when you need to switch, so there's no surprise. You're not like, wait, I can't use an external drive, I can't do this or that, I could do that all along with my Mac. Like, you don't have to worry about that, because I'll tell you exactly what you need to know so that you can make the transition as smoothly as possible if you think the iPad is right for you. But anyway, hope you enjoyed it. I'm the Tech Lord Asian. What's your editing experience like? Like desktop, iPad, otherwise? Leave it down in the comments. Alright, Tech Lord Asian, Tech Lord Tech, oh god, I messed it up. Tech Lord Asian, Lord of Tech and Amazing, and see you guys in the next one. So this guy over here, this freaking guy, is shooting these portraits in black and white.
Yeah,
like a madman. I hope you're happy, Sam.